Hi guys, I want to talk to you about this outline that is due on Monday. So basically what we're doing is we're taking this Turkle article, A Flight from Conversation, and we're breaking down into its parts. So this is the first step in writing an essay. All I want you to do is take that summary that you wrote for your critical reading journal that gives me Turkle's thesis statement, her main point, which is we are running away from conversation, and how did she use to support that? Find 3 examples. Your thesis is either one or the other. You decide. If you think that she effectively, like she does a good job of convincing readers of the benefits of real life conversation, you're going to choose that one. If you think she doesn't do it well, you are going to choose the second one. She ineffectively convinces. The body part, you will focus on what she does well or what she does poorly. And you're going to do it through these things. So you say Turkle effectively or ineffectively, and you're going to talk to me about how language does this. So you might say her sentences are short in length, her tone is informal, or whatever it is that you think that helps her be convincing or that hurts her from being convincing. So you're going to answer each of those questions. You're going to do the same thing with audience, the same thing with evidence, and then in your conclusion, you'll restate your thesis and briefly your main points. At the end, you're going to give me your personal response by answering these questions. At this point, all you're doing is answering the questions on this outline. We will meet at the specified time, and I will see you all on Monday. If you have questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks.